this very particular problem. The first question is saying, in how many ways can a committee of 2 women and 3 men be chosen from 6 men and 5 women? Number 2, factorize completely x raised to power 3 plus 3x raised to power 2 minus 10x all over 2x squared minus 8. So let's get into it. The first question, this question is coming from combination. The first question is coming from combination, so we can say for women we have 5 combination 2, and for men we have 6 combination 3. So this can also be written as 5 factorial all over 5 minus 2 all in bracket factorial, then 2 factorial, multiply by 6 factorial all over 6 minus 3 all in bracket factorial, then 3 factorial. This is another way we can write this. This is just equivalent to this, okay? So this is equal to 5 factorial means 5 times 4 times 3. I will stop at this, but it is expected it should be times 2 times 1 until you get to 1. That is where you will stop. And the reason why I stopped here, I will tell you later. All over 5 minus 2, we have 3 factorial times 2 times 1, because this is 2 factorial, so times 2 times 1 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 factorial. We'll also stop there. All over 3 factorial, because 6 minus 3 is equal to 3, times 3 times 2 times 1. So the reason why I stop at 3 factorial, because I know that 5 minus 2 will going to give me 3, and it's going to be 3 factorial. So 3 factorial will cancel out 3 factorial. So 2 here 1, 2 going to 4 is 2, okay? So when you come down to this, 3 factorial will also cancel 3 factorial. So 3 going to 3, 1, 3 going to 2 is 3 going to 6 is 2, 2 go into 2, 1, 2 will cancel this one time, okay? So we'll be left with 5 and 4. Here we'll be left with 5 and 2. So we can set, coming back to this, we can set 5 times 2, we're going to give us 10, times 4, 5 times 4, we're going to give us 20, and this is equal to 10 times 20, we're going to give us 200 ways. So this is going to be the answer, 200 ways. That is for number 1. Number 2, they said we should factorize this completely. We are to factorize this completely, so we are having the first thing what you need to do is you should factor out x, because all of the variable here is having x. This is x to the power 3, this is x raised to the power 2, this is x. So we remove x outside so that we have only x raised to the power 2 plus 3x minus 10. Okay, so all over, we factor out 2 so that we have 2 into x squared minus 4. All right, so from here we can factorize this. We look for a true number that when you multiply it, it will going to give you 10, negative 10, and when you add, we're going to give you 3. Those two numbers are positive 5 and negative 2. Positive 5 and negative 2. So we're going to have x into x squared minus 2x plus 5x minus 10, close the bracket, all over 2 into x squared minus 4. So this is equivalent to what is inside this bracket. From there, we can factorize straight, all right? So this can be factorized. We can set x, then big bracket opened. This will factor out x outside. Then we'll be left with x minus 2, close the bracket, plus 5 into, we'll be left with x minus 2, close bracket, big bracket, close, all over. This is difference of 2 square, so we have this, open bracket, it will be x minus 2 into x plus 2, close bracket, big bracket, close. Okay, so from here we can have x, big bracket opened, we have x plus 5, then into x minus 2, big bracket close, all over 2 into x minus 2, close bracket, open bracket, x plus 2, close bracket, big bracket, close. Now, if you look at it carefully, you find out that x minus 2, we're having x minus 2. So this will strike out this, okay? So finally, we'll be having x into x plus 5 all over 2 into x plus 2. And this should be our final answer.